Taking a look at Bitcoin Cash from the previous video, so you guys can see that we slammed right through, we broke right through the 382 at 155, and we slammed into the point 0.5 at $183. So this is a really, really good sign because as you can see in the macro picture, Bitcoin Cash was able to break out of its falling wedge, which is a bottoming reversal bullish pattern. So, um, really big break. Again, you broke 155 right to 187. So what we can draw now is actually get rid of this fib. I'm not going to do anything in terms of macro. We're just going to zoom in and I'm going to draw one fib for the short term in the event of a pullback. So as you can see, again, we're getting stuck at the 0.5. So we'll take a fib from the recent low here, draw it to the top. And as long as BCH is able to stay over, obviously 176 would be the most bullish scenario, but uh, I'm not going to go crazy. It needs to stay over to 618 at $150 for obvious reasons. You can see it's the 618 from this low to the high. It's also the 382. If I go back into the bigger picture at $155, and then any lower than this, and you'll probably end up falling back into the downtrend, which obviously you can see that if it ends up looking like this, it's going to end up doing something like this. So ultimately, in the big picture, we want to see BCH stay over $151. In the short term, if you want to zoom in, I guess you can say 166 too. Again, I don't want to fill up the chart with a bunch of lines, but 166 and 151 are the two prices that must hold for BCH. As you can already see, if you end up holding this uptrend, obviously it's still bullish. Any lower than 151 and it is very bearish. Okay, the next macro resistance is all the way up here at $221. That's pretty much it. None of this is financial advice.